Did you know that without regularly scheduled preventative maintenance, the likelihood of drive, application, and process failure increases drastically? Investing in regularly scheduled preventative maintenance helps extend a component's lifetime, and it is an absolute requirement to ensure maximum productivity and minimum unplanned repair costs. Our expert technicians here at Galco can help get you on a proactive path of establishing a preventative maintenance plan today. We service variable frequency drives and programmable logic controllers, two crucial components that, when not properly maintained, can cause your applications to come to a screeching halt. Our preventative maintenance lets you schedule the downtime so you can extend the lifetime of your motors, drives, and applications and save you time and money. To learn more about our preventative maintenance program, click on the link in the video description or visit us at galco.com.